Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video I want to show you how I do my mini tweets. I've been wearing tweets for about 2 years, and when I say wearing them I mean non-stop. I take them down, wash my hair and redo it, and I do this every 2 weeks. I started doing that out of convenience because I work like your 8 to 5 job. For me it was a hassle to have to wake up early just to do my hair. So I felt like this was the perfect option for me. I don't want to lie to you guys and say that this only take me 5 hours, because that is not the case. This is a long process. Most of it is because I make it a long process. I take breaks and I don't like to rush this. Like, I want them to look certain way and I make sure I take my time so they can look the way I want them to look. But if you want to do your hair in a style like this, just shoot the way that you think is easier for you, because at the end of the day it's about convenience. So if doing what I do is not convenient for you, don't do it. This video is just for like information, basically just reference. I'm not telling you you have to do it this way, and I'm not telling you that you need any of the products that I'm gonna show you, because I'm gonna show you what I use to do my hair, and there are quite a few products. And I just want to say right now it's weird because I'm making this video yet my twists in my opinion look crazy, and that's because the weather here in Oklahoma has been awful. It's just been wet basically, so you can see how my ends, or like my hair, is getting like a weird curve or like a wave. There's no way for me to fight humidity. So the first thing I do, and I'm gonna show you guys like little clips of me doing what I'm explaining right now. I just take my twists down the night before. I don't think I have any clip for that, but that's very self-explanatory. You just take it down, you just undo what you did. Once I take all the twists down, I'm gonna show you how my hair looks. Since I cut my hair at the beginning of the year, the back side of my hair is really short, so I divide my hair into 6 sections, and those are the same sections that I wash my hair in. I don't have any clips for that because it's kind of awkward for me to record myself in the shower. If you have natural hair, or even if you don't have natural hair, you just wash your hair however you wash your hair. I shampoo twice, and I use BO5 Kiwi Lime Squeeze Clarifying Shampoo. I haven't used this for a very long time. I've been using it for a month. That basically means I use it twice because I wash my hair every 2 weeks. I so far like it. I used to use the Camel Rose, I don't even remember, like ginger something shampoo, and that was giving me like really bad dandruff, I want to call it. But basically it wasn't removing the buildup as it was supposed to. Like, I don't think it was strong enough to remove like all the buildup that I had, so it was becoming a problem. Because if you wash your hair every 2 weeks and when you wash it you're not washing it properly, your scalp is gonna be a mess, plain simple. So I switched to this one. This is the cheapest thing you can find. It's just 97 cents. It doesn't strip my hair and it's clean my scalp, so far I'm liking it. Then after I shampoo twice, like I said, I follow with the Tresemme Purify and Replenish, and this is, as you can hopefully read there, is for hair that is prone to build up. And since I wash my hair every 2 weeks, obviously my hair is prone to build up because I use so many things. I don't want anything else to add to it. If I'm washing my hair, the only thing I want you to do is to remove buildup, not to add anything else. And this is pretty light and it detangles my hair pretty amazing. After I wash my hair, most of the time I let it like dry a little bit for like 2 hours. If I don't have time, I just get like an old t-shirt, take all the excess water out, because I don't want to, like, if I don't do this it takes too long for me to dry, because I blow dry my hair to show as much length as I can possibly show. When I blow dry I use it's super dirty, don't judge me, but it's the L'Oreal Blow Dry Quick Dry Primer Spray. I'm almost out of it. I probably have one more use, but it says cuts dry time and heat protection. So I so far like it. I love the smell, and I probably will rebuy it or repurchase because it's only like $3. So And as you can see, I do not spend a lot of money on the products that I use, but they work for me, so that's all it matters, right? So after I blow dry, I put this Ultimate Growth Serum, and this is supposed to be for your scalp, I guess, but I love this on my hair strength. It makes my hair so soft and like moisturized, and it helps keeping it straight. So I love that. There's not really a purpose for that. I just love the way it feels in my hair. After I did all that and my hair is straight and it's in session, all that, I start twisting. For twisting, I use 3 products, and I know that probably sounds excessive, but hopefully you guys will understand once I explain, and hopefully the clip that I have showing you what I do will explain better like the purpose of each product, and you guys will be like, I see what you're doing there. So the first thing I do is moisturize, and I use the Camel Rose Almond J Twisting Butter. This smells so good. It is super light. It doesn't make my hair feel heavy. Even though it's light, it still keeps my hair moisturized for the whole 2 weeks. After that, I go over with, this is the Edge Control Stay Gel. Supposed to be for your edges. I don't mess with my edges at all, but I use this just to keep my hair looking sleek. And once I blow dry my hair, you can like really see a lot of flyaways, I guess, like a lot of hair sticking out. But when I put this on, it makes everything, you know, straight and sleek, and that's what gives like the shininess that you guys can see on the pictures, and I just absolutely love it. I can see the difference. If I don't use this on my twists, they don't last as long. Because of me using this, my twists look fresh for longer. So I totally forgot to explain this part to you guys, but I'm just gonna do a little voiceover. As you can tell, and you will be able to see better on the close-up, I actually start by braiding my hair for about 1 inch, and I do this in the front of my head and like around the edges on the back too, and this just helped me to be able to grab the little hairs better and also make my hair look more polished. So there you go, guys. The next thing that I use is the Cantu. This is the moisturizing twist and lock gel, and I only use this on the end of my twist. This is how it looks like. This smells so amazing. Everything Cantu smells amazing. I feel it makes it look so much polished when you do that, because I want my ends to be or to look healthy. I feel like if I don't use something at the end to make it curl, once they will probably unravel, and 2, it would just look so messy. I just feel like it looks so good when the ends are so perfectly curled like that. That's everything I use, and after 2 weeks I just repeat the whole cycle again. But if I had to give you any tips, I would say don't rush it. Make sure you make time, watch on Netflix, get some like a comfortable chair, and just take your time, because you're gonna spend 2 weeks wearing the same style. So if you're gonna do it, take your time so they come out good. Make sure you eat, make sure you take breaks. Breaks are so important. I take so many breaks because I don't want to get tired. I don't want my arms to get tired. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already, and if you have any questions about any of these products, maybe I didn't mention something about my twists and you have any other question, just let me know. Leave a comment, like, you know everything that you need to do, and hopefully I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye guys.